Planning to tie the knot in Romania. This guide will walk you through the essential steps and legal requirements for foreigners. Key takeaways: understand the legal age and health requirements. Both civil and religious marriages are recognized, but only civil marriages are legally valid. Foreigners need a Romanian marriage visa and notarized documents. Marriage registration happens at the city or town hall. Be aware of the costs and legal implications of different marriage types. Embassy support is available for assistance. Legal requirements: foreigners and locals share the same marriage regulations. You must be at least 18, have valid identification, and one spouse needs a domicile or residency in Romania. Documents needed: valid passport or ID, birth certificate, certificate of no impediment for foreigners, divorce or death certificate if applicable. Romanian visa for marriage: foreigners need a visa, which requires a valid passport, intention to marry statement, and proof of financial means. Notarizing documents, essential for the marriage process. Fees vary based on the document type. Marriage certificate, an official record of your marriage, issued by the city or town hall. Marriage registration process takes place at the city or town hall. Requires valid passport, birth certificate, and other documents. Costs involved include registration fees, translation, notary fees, and possibly more. Civil versus religious marriage, both are recognized, but only civil marriages are legally valid. Marrying a Romanian citizen, foreign spouses have the right to live and work in Romania but may face residency requirements. Embassy support helps with document authentication, translation, and guidance. Tips: hire a translator, seek legal advice, understand local customs. Know your rights as a foreign spouse. Research venues and suppliers. Prepare for costs, don't rush the process. Conclusion: marrying in Romania requires thorough research and preparation. With the right steps, you can have a memorable wedding in Romania.